Okay, welcome everybody. First, I just want to talk quickly about new membership services. I put out a video. It's in the Get Us Only post channel. You can check it out. I've added, or going to be adding the 2-hour charts for all the indexes. I mentioned that in the Discord server, but I want to mention it in this video, just in case any of the members missed it, and just in case any new people want to join the membership. Stick around to the end of the video. I'll show you how to do that. But make sure you watch that video. Because it explains the new directional indicator for the 2-hour charts on the Russell 2000, the NASDAQ, and the S&P 500. Really, really nice. I back tested this directional indicator, and it's very, very good on that 2-hour chart. So make sure you take advantage of that. New members and existing members, or people that want to become members. Okay, let's get started in the video. This is the S&P 500 futures daily chart. For the weekly chart, you can get the weekly chart on the Discord server in the Get Us Only post channel. I think I'll add that to the nightly emails coming up real soon. Also, the nightly emails are going to change as of tonight. It's going to include all 3 of the 2-hour charts I just mentioned, as well as continue to have this chart here, the S&P 500 chart. Okay, today was kind of just a small range day here, 37.5. I'll tell you what I think, guys and gals. I think the market's in a pause. I think it's going to track sideways. I think we're coming down. Yep. The market, a lot of things, especially today after the market close. And I pull a lot of symbols, and I have some logic and algorithms that go do a bunch of stuff after the market closes. And I'm going to tell you right now, a lot of things showed up today for the short side. I mean, a lot of the industries, quite a few symbols, futures, you name it. When I start seeing things like that, that starts telling me something's going on. So as I mentioned before, the new directional indicator on the 2-hour chart, it is showing the Russell 2000 has been down for like the last week. And I believe that's leading the market on its way down. Probably. Okay. That, of course, is going to be reserved for members only. So it's a great directional way to know what the market's doing. It's also great for swing traders. Okay. So you definitely want to join and check that out. It's definitely worth it. I think a lot of banks can be made just on that directional indicator alone. Okay. So that's my take anyway, just on the S&P 500. I think it's probably heading down. I don't think we're going to get a pause and a pop. I think we're going to get a pause and go down. Okay. Getting pretty elevated here. Not quite up into the steamy section yet, but it's getting there. MACD is definitely way elevated above zero line. But yeah, my sense tells me the market's going to pull back. Okay. So that's that. Let's switch over to where were the trades of the day in the intraday charts. All right. This is the 5-minute chart, guys and gals. Look at this indicator right here. You know, for intraday traders, for people who have time to trade during the day, and you're like, you can watch the charts. Okay. Look at this. I mean, are you kidding me? 8:15 this morning, my time. Blast off. That's all you need to know. That's it. You're done. You just enter one trade, you wait for it to run up till about 11 o'clock. You get out. As you can tell where to get out, it just starts stalling. Typical kind of late morning stall. Just get out. You're done. Forget the chop. I mean, for the first time in quite a while, we don't have all this choppy mess in the morning. The chop happened more in the afternoon. So this was just an amazing trade. Look at this trade. Trade of the day, Get Us Plus indicator absolutely nails it. Spot on, nails this at the bottom of the SMI, works its way up. The MACD begins to roll over. Boom, boom, boom. You don't have to look at any other chart today. Now, that doesn't mean I would only trade the 5-minute chart. No, I look at 5-minute, 15-minute, 1 hour if I'm going to do intraday trading. Okay. So that's definitely the trade of the day right there. Now stick around because I'm going to introduce to you the new directional indicator, which I've already shown in a previous video I just put out earlier today. But let me show you it right now, just in case anybody missed it. Okay, this is the new directional indicator. Now you're looking at 3 charts. These are 3 charts that are going to be streamed live either later this week or early next week for the members. Okay, I'm just waiting for a little something to come in for one of my servers, and then I can start streaming it. All right, so there it is. This is what you're going to see. And look at this, Russell 2000 over here. 2-hour chart. 2-hour chart. Look at this. Bombs away. All the way since like last Tuesday, Monday or Tuesday. When was this exactly? Yeah, this was 10 o'clock. Looks like it might on 5/24. I think was Friday. Okay. And then of course you got the other indexes here, the NASDAQ and the NDX and the SP 500 SPX. Now these major indexes only operate during the regular trading hours, but that's the beauty of it. See, this helps keep you in the trade. So for swing traders, even if you're not a swing trader and you want to swing trade, because that's what I'm going to be doing, all right? But especially for swing traders, if you want to swing trade because you can't do intraday trading, or let's say you're an intraday trader, but you also want to throw on a swing trade, because nothing stops you from doing that, right? Nothing's keeping you from doing both, right? Take a small position on a swing trade and just let it run its course. So this directional indicator right here, though it's not just a simple moving average, okay? This is specifically, I don't want to say formulated because that's more scientific. This equation, this algorithm that was put in here. I spent some time in this for the 2-hour chart and kept crafting it until it really gave me what I was looking for. And it's really very good. So this is very directional, helps keep you in the trade for longer periods of time, bigger gains. All right. So let me just go zoom into one of these a little bit bigger. Look at that. Okay, this is the Russell 2000. Look at this from way over here. April 3rd. Really all the way down to here, which was April 29th. Okay. And of course, if you're really paying attention, you're going to watch the MACD down here. And as it crosses over, you don't necessarily have to wait for it to come way over here. You can tell, oh, momentum's beginning to fade, and you can just get out down in this area. I mean, there's nothing stopping you from using the other indicators. That's why they're here. And by the way, this chart, the Russell 2000, the NASDAQ, and the S&P 500, these get sent an email every night to the members now, starting tonight. So that's awesome, right? You know where your entry is. You can use the MACD if you really want to get out, if you see it crossing over. If you want to just play it, like dummy trading, then fine, get out over here. You're still going to make a ton of money. And then over here, look at this entry. Bam. Look at this. Keeps you in the trade all the way up to here. Again, maybe you get out here when the MACD starts to roll over there and do a re-entry as the SMI goes up. There's a lot of ways you can do this, right? But basically, the green ultimate direction 2-hour, how you like that name? Basically, the directional indicator is keeping you in the trade, telling you, hey, you can stay in this trade. It's still going up or it's still going down. Okay, that's the whole point of that directional indicator, right? So you're not just jumping in and out of trades all the time, right? Because remember, this would be, the mentality here is more of a swing trade. Though I guess you could do short-term swing trades. You let it run up like that. You see it peaks out the SMI. You get out. You let it do its dive. You get back in. It's still green. Okay, great. You take that's if you really want to be on the sharp end of the pencil, right? The pointy end of the spear, as they say, because you would extract a little more profit out of the market doing that. If you have time to do that. If not, and you're a type of person just wants to enter a trade and get out, okay, fine. You're not going to make quite as much money, but you're still going to make profit. Okay? So a great directional indicator. Things, like I said, back tested this, and it's been looking pretty good. All right, if you want to join, there is a link in the description below this video, and there's a link also in the first comment of this video. There's instructions with that, so just read the instructions first, okay? And then click on the discord.com link, brings you to get a server. Click on server shop, brings you to this page here. $7.99, guys, $7.99. You're getting the S&P 500 streaming charts. You're getting gold streaming charts. Again, if you go back and watch my video from earlier today on my YouTube channel. I talk about all the new member services and I go into it in great detail. But basically, there's S&P 500 streaming charts, there's gold streaming charts, there's the 2-hour streaming charts now. There's the nightly emails that go out every night to the members. Okay, there's premium symbols every day here in this channel. There's alerts for the S&P 500 and gold right here. Okay, I just actually bought a bond today, like 11 bonds of QVC. So later tonight, I'll put it in here. So if you want to know what fixed income I'm trading or buying from time to time, look in there. Okay, guys, there's a tremendous amount of value to this service. And now that I've added the directional indicator to the 2-hour charts and making those available, not only streaming to the members, but also in the nightly emails, this service is absolutely rocketing. I mean, there's going to be serious money made in this service. And for $7.99, I'm going to be shocked if people don't make their money back in the first month. Okay. I've had members now for 2 or 3 years, and most of them make more than enough money to make back their money. They're $8 a month. Okay. Last thing is the rules. And here's the refund rules. Make sure you read it. There's a disclaimer there that I'm not a financial advisor, guys. I just give my opinion. This is all educational purposes only. No matter if it's me or anybody else saying it, strictly educational purposes. And then lastly in there is be nice, be respectful when you're on the server. No foul language, no vulgarity. Okay, don't post any dirty links or anything. I'm not going to tolerate that stuff on the server. If I have to, I'll delete your content. I'll kick you if it gets bad enough. If he's keeping it, just like a total troll, then I got to ban you, okay? But so don't be that person, okay? Just come in, be respectful. It's a very peaceful community. We're all about making profits, moving on to the next day, okay? All right, that's it. Hope you enjoyed the video today. Talk to you all real soon again next time.